country, I had never imagined that Alliance in Motion Global would set foot in African continent. But because of the efforts of this gentleman, we were able to realize kung gaano kalaki ang market, how huge Nigeria as a potential market, as a potential MLM and direct sales market. Nigeria is 185 million population, and it is the most lucrative market in the whole of the African continent. And today, we already have a legal presence in Nigeria because of these international partners. And we are so excited because for the past 6 years, here in the Philippines, we have created 600 multi-millionaires. Here in the Philippines, we're creating 2 millionaires per week. I really don't know how many millionaires we can create in Nigeria, but they're telling me so many stories. They're telling me so many exciting stories that it will inspire you, it will motivate you, it will give you more energy to do the business full time and to persevere with our business. Guys, let's give it up for our international partners. We'd like you to